Hi, hi, hi to everyone. We have all been there, yes, looking on the screen of several lines of code. And what are we trying to do? Trying to correct syntax errors, trying to make the code work. Finding out that the system is still broken. And why? Why is the system still broken? Because all we were doing was just coding. We were not really engineering anything. And that has been a serious and a serious challenge over the years. And after several years in my career, I identified that as a serious gap, and trying to see how to provide solutions to that gap. You know, in the world of in the world where there's an obsession, serious obsession for learning new things, you know, learning new programming languages because you want to learn a job. Someone told you, look, if you learn this one, you are sure of getting this job. You go and you learn it. What are you learning? You are learning just syntaxes, you know, just syntaxes. So we have shifted our mind from real engineering, you know, having an engineering mindset just to just learning how to type, learning how to code. And real engineering is not coding, you know, and that is why this channel is called Engineering and Not Coding. So I want to invite you all to this channel, and you know we are going to talk a lot about high level engineering, high level system designs, logic of frameworks. We are going to talk about how to really think about the solution before you even write a line of code, because in real world, actually the best solutions, the best technology solutions actually happen in the minds of people before a line of code is written. And you know, uh, for a system to work, is not you build a system, or thinking about a system to work is not just that the code works in the compile, it compiles. No, it's not about that. It could compile and still don't wouldn't stand the test of time. Over time, you see that there are a lot of issues with the system. So to really have your system work, you need to really think about the solution even before you put a line of code into writing. And this is what is lacking in many places. Actually, in me myself, when I was still in my early ages, I was just coding. I wasn't really engineering. But as I said, after several years, and I'm grateful that I learned it, and I learned it the hard way. And so I'm able to understand now. I'm able to appreciate the value of thinking about solutions first before even writing the code. I'm able to know what it means, you know, to engineer and just coding. So I want to talk a lot about things, about how to even prepare for interviews, what interviewers want from us. And sometimes, you know, in many places, and with many people, they try just to they are learning things that are so complex, and in the interviews what they are asking them is just simple basic things. And because if the fundamentals are weak, you are not able to do anything. So you need strong fundamentals, and this is what this channel is going to is going to is about. It's about, actually, we are bridging the gap to for you to think what solution to use, what am I going to use for this type of problem. And that is what this channel is about. So I want to invite you all. Remember, code that runs in the compiler, well, doesn't mean that it's efficient, you know. And this is what we are going to talk about on this channel. So we are going to talk about several things. We are going to talk about a lot of system designs, the trade-offs, how to optimize systems and all that. This is where we are going. This is what we are going to do on this channel. And we are not going to talk a lot about. We are going to move from just keyboard, what to type. We are going to really think about how to build, and that means that we are going to think about optimization, trade-offs, and all the things that concern a system scalability, how the system can scale over time. This is what I'm going to talk about on this channel, because there are a lot of channels that teach you how to code, a lot of them, you see. But what they don't teach is how to optimize, how to scale, what are the trade-offs, what are the solutions before I even start to type, you see. So I'm going to we are going to learn that on this channel. And if you are a student, if you are already working, if you are in the developing any solution for whatever you are doing, so far as it concerns software development, you are invited. Here is this channel is a channel that you cannot afford to not subscribe to. So I'm going to invite you officially to subscribe to the channel. Let us like it, comment, and I want us to do something. Think about during your career, whether you're a student, maybe they're giving you a research topic, a project that you're supposed to do. You are in the job, you are already working, they're giving you a task to do. Think about that task. Think about that problem that you couldn't just solve with just coding. You couldn't just solve with coding. Think about it. Think about that challenge. Write it in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss about it. Let's discuss it. So because this channel is for us all. I identify this gap, and I want us to all join our hands together and try to solve it. And also tell me what do you want to see on this channel? What are the things you want to see? Tell me. We are going to talk a lot about things. We are going to talk about a lot of things here, but I also want you to tell me what you want to see on the channel. So in the comment section, write what you want to see, and please, that particular task that you couldn't solve with just coding, let us know. Let us know it in the comment section. Once again, I invite you, subscribe to this channel, like it, comment it, share with your friends, your colleagues, everywhere, because in the next few days we are going to start diving real into what we want to do on the channel. And thank you so much for subscribing, even before you subscribe. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next videos where we go into what this channel actually is about. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much.